Welcome to How to Wave. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Gemini AI for free in 2025. Google Gemini AI is an advanced platform for AI-powered applications that can help you in various ways, from content creation to problem solving and more. First, to get started, you need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Once you have your Google account set up, visit the official Gemini AI website where you can find free access options, including limited trials or freemium services. To use Gemini AI for free, you likely have access to certain features that are included in the free tier, such as AI-powered tools for text generation, analysis, or image processing. The free tier may come with usage limits, but it's perfect for individual users or small-scale projects. You can use Google Gemini AI to automate writing tasks, conduct research, or generate creative content like blog posts, articles, and marketing material. Additionally, you can explore its capabilities for analyzing data, creating interactive chatbots, or enhancing user engagement and digital experiences. By getting familiar with the features available in the free version, you can assess whether upgrading to a paid plan is necessary for more advanced capabilities. Google Gemini AI is constantly evolving, and there are always new updates and features to explore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Wave for more tutorials.